For me, it was a labor of love, and thus it is particularly meaningful for me today to be with all of you. It has been my honor to serve on the finest intermediate appellate court and the most highly regarded Supreme Court in the country. Those courts decide cases based on their merits, based on established principles, without regard to whether the litigant is wealthy or powerful, an outcast or despised, without bias, prejudice, whim, or caprice. They are independent in every way, just as the framers conceived them to be. And they are equal, which is what John Adams intended when he rejected Montesquieu's weak judiciary model. And that is as it should be. For when some act trenches on the constitutional rights of our fellow citizens, it is not judicial activism to declare it invalid. It is the core judicial function. Indeed, it is the citizens' protection against tyranny. Today, as part of this award ceremony, I ask you to reaffirm your commitment to defending this independent judiciary against the challenges it is now experiencing. Across the world, judges are being vilified simply for doing their jobs. In foreign countries, they are being forced out of office by the politicians in power. Closer to home, 3 Iowa Supreme Court justices were subjected to a brutal campaign and recalled as the result of an unpopular, substantive decision of law. As Chief Justice Marshall Tunis, who was among those ousted, put it, if you think judges aren't concerned over what is happening, you are naive. The Dean of the University of California Law School fears the chilling effect of such conduct. And so to the judges I say today, heed the poet Goethe's words, be brave and mighty forces will come to your aid. And to the rest of this assemblage I say, we are those mighty forces. And it falls to us to step up to this challenge, to stand shoulder to shoulder with the judges, defending their right to carry out their constitutional obligations without fear. We do not do this for them, but for ourselves, for our constitutional form of government, and for those who will come after us. Again, my thanks for this wonderful award, and Godspeed.